What's up folks, welcome to Slake Academy. I'm Pradeep. Today we are going to see exercise 2 of pair of linear equation in two variables of class 10. So here we'll see very first question. So the question says the ratio of income of two persons is 9:7 and the ratio of their expenditure is 4:3. If each of them manages to save 2000 per month, find their monthly income. So here they have given monthly income and expenditure of two different people, where the income and expenditure which they have given in the form of ratio. So now they are asking us to find out the income. So we should find out the actual amount of income which these two people were getting. So we'll try to get it. So I'll take income as X and expenditure I'll take it as Y. So I can write it as, let the monthly income, okay, monthly income be X. I'll just represent with X, and the monthly expenditure, that I can write it as, that I'll write it as Y. So income X and expenditure Y. So now the condition they have given, that is 9:7. So I'll write accordingly. So according to condition, so I can write given condition. So what was that? So condition, we can see the ratio of incomes of two persons is 9:7. So I can write income of the first person, okay, first person will take it as 9x. In the same way, income of the second person is how much? That was 7. So I can write income of the second person, so that I can write is 7x. So income is 9x of first person, 7x is the second person's income. So we'll write the same thing even for the expenditure also. So what is the second condition? I can write according to condition, okay. The condition is for expenditure. So for expenditure, so that I can write it as, what is the conditions we can write? Expenditure of the person, expenditure of the first person, I can write this as 4:3. So I can write it as expenditure without Y, so I can write 4y. This is for the first person. So expenditure of the second person, so even for the second person I can write it as it is 3 given, so I can write this is 3y. So we are writing income of the first person as 9x, second person is 7x. Expenditure of the first person we have written it as 4y, and the second person we have written it as 3y. So now both of them were saving the money. So how much they are saving? So I can write both of them manages to save how much? Rupees 2000 they are saving. Okay, so now for this one we can write, when it comes to income, that we can write it as income minus expenditure. Okay, so that is equal to savings, right? So whatever the income they are getting, if they subtract the expenditure, so that will be the savings. This is very simple thing, we can easily understand it. So now what is the income of the person? That is, income is 9x for the first person, so I can write 9x. And what is the expenditure of the first person? That is 4y, so minus 4y. And what about its savings? It was 2000. So we got the first equation. In the same scenario, we'll even find out for the second person also. So this will take it as the first one. And what about the second one? Second person income is 7x and his expenditure is how much? It was 3y. So he is also saving around 2000. So this is the second equation. Okay, if we solve this first and second equations, then definitely we'll be getting this person's income. Okay, so we'll solve them. So I can write here solving 1 and 2. So I can write this as 9x, same equations I'm writing, 9x 4y equal to 2000. This is 7x minus 3y equal to 2000. So these are the equations. So what I do is that this first equation I'll just multiply with 3, and second equation I will multiply with 4. So let's see what do we get here if I do this. So this is 3 nines, it is 27x. This also 3 4s, it was how much? It was 12. It was 12x, and this is again 3 2s are 6, so which means this is 6000. This also 7 4s are, it is 28, and here 7, this is 4 3s are, it was 12. So this I can write as 4 2s are 8, so this is 8000. Oh, this is also 6000, this is also 8000. So let's try to solve them further. So this is I'll just change the sign. So this is minus and this is plus and this is minus, so I could cancel this part. So 27x minus 28x, in the sense I'll be remain with minus x equal to, this is 6000 minus 8000, in the sense minus 2000, which means minus minus can be cancelled either of the sides. So x value we are getting around, it as 2000. Okay, so if we get x value as 2000, so this particular x value will be taking, and even we can find out y also. So I'll just submit x equal to 2000 in 1. Okay, first equation we know that it is 9x minus 4y equal to 2000 is the first equation. Either you can submit in the first equation or you can submit even in the second equation, it is, anything is fine. So I'm just submitting in the first equation. So this is 9 into 2000 minus 4y equal to, this is again 2000. So 9 2s, it was 18. So this is 18,000 minus 4y equal to 2000. So if I send this 2000 to other side, so simply we will be getting the value as this is 18,000 minus 2000 equal to 4y. This I am sending this side and this I am sending to other side. So now this we can write it as 4y equal to 18 minus 2 means it was 16,000. So this is 4 table will be getting 16, right? 4 4s are 16, that is y equal to, we are getting 4000 as the value. So we are getting x and y values, where we have wrote all these x and y values in the form of ratios, right? Previously we got them, so that we'll submit. So we'll just go back and we'll see what we have written here. See here, income we wrote it as 9x, and for the first person, and the second person we wrote it as 7x. Same we will write here again. So I can write here income of first person, what it is, we wrote it as 9x. So in the place of x we can simply write how much we got x as, we got 2000, that will submit over here in the place of x. So I can write 9 into 2000. So 9 2s, it was 18,000 is the first person's income. So even we'll find out the second person's income. So I can write income of second person, that is how much, a second person income, it was 7x which we wrote above, you can check it out. So 7 into x is how much, it was 2000. So now 7 2s, it was 14. So second person income is 14,000 and first person income is 18,000. So they asked us to find out the income of first person and the second person, and we got the income. So let's see the second question. The sum of a 2-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digit is 66. If the digit of the number differ by 2, find the number. How many such numbers are there? Okay, so we don't know what the number is, so we will take the number as, so ones place I'll be taking as x and tens place of the number will be taking as y. So we will write let the digit in the units place, so that we can take it as x, and the digit in the tens place we will take it as y. Okay, so I can write tens place by. So that is units place we took it as x and tens place we took it as y. So now that the number which is formed, I can write it as, then the number which is being formed, so that I can write it as 10y plus x. See here, this is in tens place, right? Tens place we are taking as y. As it is in tens place, we are writing it as 10, and y we were taking, and x is in units place, so 1 into x is nothing but x. So this is the equation which is formed. So the same thing, the second thing where they are saying, they are asking us to reverse. So I can write the reversing, or I can write the number obtained by reversing order of the digits. Okay, that we can write, this order will just change its order, so we can simply write 10x plus y. So this is one of the order, 10y plus x, and the second order is 10x plus y. Okay, so according to the condition, they are saying that the two digits which we got, that we have to sum it. That is what they are saying, the sum of two digits they are saying. So I can write according to condition. Okay, we can write, it is a given condition, so that we'll write it as 10y plus x is the first condition. Here is the first one, and the second condition is 10x plus y, where we have to sum it. So I can write plus 10x plus y equal to, what is the number they have given? 66. So that is equal to 66. So let's try to solve this, and we'll be getting one of the equations. So I can write this as 10y plus x plus 10x plus y equal to 66, where this 10y and this is one more y here. So I can write this as, first we'll be writing x term. Okay, so x plus 10x is 11x, x plus y plus 10y is 11y equal to 66. If I take 11 common, so I can write 11x plus y equal to 66. So 11 ones are 11, 11 6 are 66. So I can write x plus y equal to 6 is the first equation. We'll see the second condition also. We'll go back to the question and we'll see the second condition is that if the digit of the number differ by 2. So they are saying the digit is differ by 2. So I can write according to second condition. Okay, the second condition, that is differ by 2, they are saying. So I can write this as x minus y equal to 2 or y minus x equal to 2. So either the difference, either x minus y or y minus x, the difference we are getting the value as 2. So we are writing x minus y equal to 2 or y minus x equal to 2. Okay, so here for this I can simply write this as, we got x minus y equal to 2, y minus x equal to 2. So each one of them we will separately solve it, so that we will get the answer. So this y minus x, instead of y minus x I can write this as minus x plus y equal to 2, where if I multiply minus in this equation, I'll just multiply here, so minus into minus, so this is becoming plus x, and this is becoming minus y, and this is minus 2. So this, I'll take one more equation. So let's do this now. So first equation we got already here, and here we have two different equations, so we have to solve with both of the equation. I'll check what do we get here. Okay, so now here we are getting x minus y equal to 2, right? So we'll use this first equation with this one also, and even with this one also. So I can write this as x plus y equal to 6 and x minus y equal to 2. So if we solve this, plus y minus y get cancelled. This is 2x equal to 6 plus 2 8, where x will be getting as 4. Okay, here we got x equal to 4. Now I'll submit x equal to 4. Let's take this as equation 2. Let's take this as equation 3. So I'll submit x equal to 4 in equation 2. So what do we get here? X minus y equal to 2, right? So in the place of x, if I write 4, that is 4 minus y equal to 2. So if we further solve that, I can write 4 minus 2 equal to, this y is coming this side, so y equal to, we are getting 2 as the value. So same thing we will do here also. So we'll solve it. So for that I can write the first equation as x plus y equal to 6, and the third equation is x minus y equal to minus 2. So we'll solve this. Plus 5 minus 5 get cancelled, so this is 2x equal to 6 minus 2, which is again, it was 4. Okay, x value will be getting 2 ones and 2 twos, that is x equal to, we are getting as 2 as the value. So now this x value that will submit x equal to 2 in, we'll submit in the third equation, and we'll see what do we get. That is x minus y equal to minus 2 is the third equation. In the place of x, if I submit 2, so 2 minus y equal to minus 2. Let's further solve this. So I'll be getting 2 and minus 2 if this comes to this side, so that is becoming plus 2. If this minus y coming this side, this is becoming y. So I'll be getting y equal to 4 as the value. So one thing we could observe here, when x equal to 4, then y we were getting as 2. When x equal to 2, we are getting y as 4 value. Okay, so these particular values even will submit in the equation which is obtained, and we will just check whether the value is right or no. Okay, so we'll see what was the equation, that is we can see here, that is 10x plus y or 10y plus x. So we'll submit in that particular equations, and we will check. So I can write it as 2 digit, they are 2 digit equation, right? 2 digit number, 2 digit number. So that is how much? It is 10y plus x. Yes, 10y plus x and 10x plus y. So we will take that. That is 10y plus x. So what do we got in the first equation? X equal to 4, y equal to 2. So that is y equal to 2 we got, and x we got 4. So this will be getting 10 to the 20 plus 4. We are getting it as 24. So we have submitted this x equal to 4, y equal to 2 in this particular equation, and we'll submit the same, even this x equal to 2, x equal to 4 in the same equation. So I can write 2 digit number equal to 10y plus x. So that is how much? 10y, in the sense y is how much over here? Y is 4. So this is 4 plus x is how much? It was 2. So I can write it as 2. 10 plus 10 into 4 is 40 plus 2. So that is 42. So let's check what they asked us to find out. Here in the question you can see, if the sum of a 2-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digit is 66. If the digit of the number differ by 2, find the number. How many such numbers are there? So now we are getting 2 such numbers, and the number which we obtained is, that is, one we got as 24, other we got as 42. So these are the 2 numbers which we are getting. Let's see the third question. The question says the larger of 2 supplementary angles exceed the smaller by 18. Find the angles. So now for this reason, they are asking, there will be 2 angles where that angles like supplementary angles they are saying. So I can write, let the, so they are saying about the larger angle, so I can write, let the larger of the 2 supplementary angles. Okay, so that supplementary angle I am taking it as y. It is always, we can take anything. The larger I am taking as y, and the smaller I'll take it as x. The smaller of the 2 supplementary. Okay, angle, that I'll take it as x. Okay, so this angle I'm taking as y, and the smaller I'm taking as x. So I can write it as they are supplementary angles, so therefore I can write it as x plus y equal to 180. So let's this be the first equation, where sum of the angles, you know, right, sum of the angles of supplementary is 180. Same I can write sum of supplementary angles is 180. Okay, so this is the first thing which was given. So I can write here the larger is exceeding 18 with the smaller, so I can write this using this particular condition. I can write this as y equal to x plus 18. So that is given. What they're saying, larger exceeding, okay, exceeding the smaller by 18 degrees. So this is what they gave, that is y equal to x plus 18, because the larger we have taken it as y, so smaller we have taken it as x, so smaller is x plus 18 for the larger one. So for the reason I can just submit y equal to x plus 18 in this first equation. So let me take this as 2. So let's submit second equation in the first one. So that is y equal to x plus 18, right? So in the place of y I'll be just submitting. So I can write submit 2 in first equation. So what is the first equation? X plus y equal to 180, whereas in the place of y I can write it as x plus 18 equal to 180. So now this is x plus x is 2x, and 18 if I send to other side, that is 180 minus 18. So 180 minus 18 is how much? It is 162, whereas if I just send this other side to other side, that is 162 by 2. So how much do we get? So x equal to, we are getting 81 as the value. So now this x equal to 81 that we are submitting in equation 1 again. So I can write here submit x equal to 81 in first equation. What is the first equation? X plus y equal to 180. In the place of x I can write 81 plus y equal to 180. So that is y equal to 180 minus 81. So y will be getting 180 minus 81, in the sense will be getting the value as 99. So y value we are getting as 99. So let's check the values. That is 81 plus 99, 9 plus 110 it is. This is 99, 18, 180. So perfectly they are supplementary angles. The value which we got, that is 180. So x equal to 81 we got, and y equal to 99 we got. So we'll write the conclusion, that is therefore measure of larger angle, how much we got? 99. And the smaller one I can write measure of smaller angle, how much it is? 81. So we got larger angle as 99 and the smaller angle we got 81. So let's see the fourth question. The taxi charges in Hyderabad are fixed along with the charges of the distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the change paid is rupees 220. For a journey of 15 km, the charge paid is rupees 310. What are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 kilometers? So to travel in particular taxi in Hyderabad, there will be fixed charges, whether you just travel for the longer distance or the shorter distance. There will be a fixed charges, and additional to these fixed charges, as the number of kilometer increases, even the price also increases. So they are giving few of the information. We'll use that and we'll find out these two things, that is what are that particular fixed charges and also how much it costs for the 25 kilometers. So we can write that as, let the fixed charges, we'll write it as x. Okay, so this is x. Let the charge per kilometer, so per kilometer, if we could find out, we can easily find out what are the number of kilometers the charge. So that is, let the charge per kilometer, that we will take it as y. So total charge, fixed charge, we have given few information, that is For 10 kilometers they have taken 220, so we'll use that and we'll write the same. So I can write total charge to be paid will be the sum of, okay, fixed charges, and also we have to pay what? Charge per kilometer. Okay, so we'll write that. So the total charges means the fixed charges and also how much the charge is happening for as the number of kilometers were being increased. So first thing is for 10 kilometers it was 220, so we can write fixed charges is x, and that is 10 kilometers. Per each kilometer we are taking the kilometers as y, so x plus 10y equal to, that was rupees 220. So this is the first equation. We'll write for the second equation also. I can write for here are 15 kilometers and the charge they have taken is 310. So I can write for 15 kilometers I can write the amount paid. How much it was? Amount paid is rupees 310. So I can write this as x plus 15y, it is equal to 310. So we got two equations here. By solving these two equations easily we can get x and y values. So I can write solving 1 and 2. So what are the two equations? That is x plus 15y equal to 310. The second one I'm writing x plus 10y equal to 220. Anything is fine, you can write anyone in the first place or second place, will be getting the same values. So I can write this as minus minus minus, so these both get cancelled. 15 minus 10 it was 5y, and 310 minus 220 is how much? It was 90. Okay, so in 90 means in 5 table, that was in 18 we can cancel 5 ones are 5 eights are. Alright, so y equal to, we are getting 18 as the value. So now this I'll be just submitting. I can write submit y equal to 18. We can submit either in 1 or 2, will be getting the x value also. So I'll just submit in the first one. So that is x plus 10y equal to 220. So where x equal to 10 into, in the place of 5 I'm just submitting 18. So this is equal to 220. So what will I get here? X equal to, oh, I wrote here 2 times, this is x plus. So this is 10 into 18 essence, that is 180 equal to 220. So this, if I send to other side, x value I'll be getting as 220 minus 180, which is x equal to, we are getting the value as 40. Okay, so we have taken what? X we have taken as the fixed charge, a charge per kilometer we have taken it as y. So we got them, we got the fixed charge and we got the charge per kilometer. So we'll write the same. The first point which they asked is the fixed charge. So I can write the fixed charge is how much? They are given, it was, we have taken it as x, so I can write here the fixed charge per kilometer, that is x equal to 40. So that was the fixed charge, and the charge per kilometer is how much? It was 18. So I can write the charge per kilometer, so that we have taken as y, so that we were getting as 18. The second thing also they asked two questions here. How much does a person have to pay if they travel for 25 kilometers? So that second thing also we'll find out. So that is for 25 kilometers we will write as total is how much? Total is how much? It was 40 plus, means we are just writing in this particular form. So if not, I'll just write it as x plus the value is how much? It was 25 kilometers, and we'll take it as y equal to, so this is the way we are writing. So x plus means x we are taking as 40 plus 25, y is how much? It was 18. So if we just multiply, that is 40 plus 25 into 18. If we multiply 5 8s, it was 40, 8 to 16, that is 20, 25. So how much we are getting here? So simply you can write that as 450, right? 450, right? So 450 plus 40 is nothing but it was 490. So now the total we are getting 490 for 25 kilometers. So we'll write here, hence for 25 kilometer the taxi fare, how much? Taxi fare is rupees 490. So fixed charge we were getting it as 40, and the charge per kilometer we got 18, and we were getting 490 if we travel for 25 kilometers. Let's see the fifth question. A question says a fraction will be equal to 4 by 5 if 1 is added to both numerator and denominator. If, however, 5 is subtracted from both numerator and denominator, the fraction will be equal to 1 by 2. So what is the fraction they are asking? So here they are giving the representation, that is 4 by 5 and 1 by 2, where the sum we were just adding 1 for numerator and denominator, then we were getting 4 by 5 sims, and we were just subtracting with 5 for numerator and denominator, then we are getting 1 by 2 sims. So first we will frame the equations, for that we can write the numerator and denominator as x and y. So I can write, let the numerator be x and denominator, that I'll take it as y. Okay, so what we can take the fraction, hence the fraction what we'll be getting, that will be getting as x by y. This is a fraction. So first condition, that is sum of the values. So I can write here adding 1 on numerator and denominator. So what do we get for this? So I can write this as, for see the numerator we got x and denominator we got y. So for numerator I am adding 1, in denominator also I'll be adding 1. So for this, when we add, what is the fraction they have given? It was 4 by 5. So now we'll cross multiply and we'll find out this equation. So we'll be getting 5 into x plus 1 equal to 4 into y plus 1. So we'll take the values inside, so that we'll be getting 5x plus 5 equal to 4y plus 4. I just took inside 5, when we take inside, that is 5x, here 5, and this is 4y, and here it was 4. So if I just bring everything to one side, and that is 5x minus 4y, so I'm keeping this 4 on the same side and I'm bringing this 5 to other side, so that is becoming minus 5. So this is 5x minus 4y equal to minus 1. Okay, so this is the first equation, I can say. This is the first equation, and we'll use the second condition also, that is they're asking 5 is subtracted to denominator and numerator. So numerator and denominator is x by y, so that we can write here as subtracting 5 on numerator and also denominator. So for the reason, for this one I can write x minus 5 by y minus 5 equal to, what is that they have given for subtraction? It was 1 by 2 they gave, so I can write here as 1 by 2. Let's cross multiply. So I'll be getting 2 into x minus 5 equal to 1 into y minus 5 is y minus 5. So if I take this value inside, that I'll be getting as 2x minus 2 5s, it was 10, and this is y minus 5. If I bring this y to this side, so this is 2x minus 5, and this 10 I'm bringing this side, so that is becoming minus 5 plus 10. So I can write this equation as 2x minus 5. This is minus 5 plus 10, in the sense it is just 5. So this is the second equation which we got, and let's solve this first equation and the second equation, and we'll try to see what do we get the values here as. So I can write here 5x, first I'll write it as solving 1 and 2. So let's solve this 1 and 2 and we'll see what do we get here. So 5x minus 4y equal to minus 1 is the first equation. 2x minus y equal to 5 is the second equation. So let's solve them. So once we solve them, we'll be getting the answers. So we'll do it. So that is, none of these were equal. For the reason, first we have to make the equations as equal. So for the reason, this particular second equation, I'll just multiply it with 4, and for that we'll be getting 5x minus 4y equal to minus 1. When I multiply this 4 to the, it is 8x, and this is 4y, and this is 5 4 the 20. So if I change the signs, minus plus minus, so these both get cancelled. So this is minus 8x, so this is minus 3x equal to, this is minus 20 minus 1, this is minus 21, minus minus can be cancelled, this is 3 7s are 21, x equal to 7 we are getting. Okay, so x we got 7, so this will be submitting in any one of the equation and we'll get the y value also. I can write submit x equal to 7 in first equation. So what is the first equation? That is 5x minus 4y. 5x minus 4y equal to minus 1. So this is the first equation. I'll be submitting x equal to 7. So 5 into, so x is how much? It was 7 minus 4y equal to minus 1. So this is 7 5s are 35 minus 4y equal to minus 1. So this I'll bring this side. So 35, this if I bring this side, minus 1 will become plus 1, and this minus 4y will become plus 4y. So I can write 4y equal to 36. So in fourth table, 36 in the sense 4 9s are 36, 4 1s are 4 9s are. So we are getting the value y equal to 9, we got the value. So what is a fraction we can write now here? I can write here as, hence the fraction is x by y, which is nothing but x we got as 7 and y we got as 9. See, x is 7 and y we got 9. So the fraction which they asked us to find out is 7 by 9. I hope this is very clear to you. So keep going, stay tuned.